This is a Schwinn Stingray chopper, and as you can tell, it's seen better days. And considering it was on its way to the dump, I thought it would be fun to restore and convert this into an e-bike. If you're new to the channel and would like, go ahead and click the subscribe button and like the video to help support. I'm using a wire wheel on the fork tubes to clean off the rust and factory stickers, which were surprisingly difficult to remove off the tubes, fenders, and bike frame. I noticed while I was cleaning the front fender that there was a small dent, which I ended up hammering out off camera later on. Unfortunately, there was an issue with the video and the footage of removing the rest of the bike parts was lost. Here I am sanding down the frame. At the end of the video, I'll have an image of the frame sanded down better.